Now on to our final recipe on this episode of Ruby's Recipes. It's a skeleton veggie tray and Frankenstein guac dip. We have Liliana helping us out with this recipe. Now tell me, what is your favorite thing to do in the fall?
My grandmas make a lot of different kinds of variety of pies.
Oh,
so we have a lot of
now
that.
what's your favorite pie?
I like the pumpkin pies they rarely make, and then there's also a different one. I can't remember the name of it.
Ooh, well, we're going to make something a little bit healthier than pie for this episode. So now to start off our veggie tray, we need our dip, of course. So we are going to be using a ranch dip, but you can choose the dip of your choice. So this will be the head of our skeleton, and I think our skeleton head needs some eyes and some hair, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do to create the hair is we're gonna take some pieces of lettuce, and what I'll do is I'll just have you kind of cut off the top of the lettuce here for us. All right, good job. And then we'll do maybe one more, just like we did with that one. Okay. So this will be our hair. So what we want to do is we're going to put this in the top of our dip right here. Now we need some eyes and a mouth. So for the eyes, I'm going to cut one of these olives in half. And I'll have you put on one eye and I'll put on the other eye. And then I'm going to chop up a couple more of these and we'll put these pieces as the mouth. And then I think what we'll do is we'll put these and we'll try and make our skeleton look like he's smiling. So I'll put in 2 pieces here, and then I'll have you put in the other 2 pieces. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to cut up a cucumber into slices, and this is going to be the spine of the skeleton. So I'm gonna cut up a couple slices, and I'll have you start laying them out on the skeleton here. For Halloween, what's like your favorite candy that you like to get when you go trick-or-treating?
I really like Nerds.
Nerds,
So,
okay.
And there are like gummy Nerds where it's like
Yeah.
a gummy and then it has like Nerds on top of it, like all around it, and I really like those.
Okay, let's start putting, so I'll have you help me. We'll just start laying them down there in a straight line. Okay, so now let's make some arms. So for the arms, what we're gonna do is we're going to cut up some of our celery sticks here, and I'll cut these up and then I'll have you kind of start putting them to the side like this, and I'll show you how. Now, have you seen any scary movies? I hope not. You're still a little too young.
I don't watch a lot of scary movies, but I really like The Nightmare Before Christmas.
Ooh, that's a good one. So I'll have you do what I'm doing here. So this is like the shoulders, and then we'll start going down like this for the arms. Perfect. Part of what we have in our arms and our shoulders and our elbows is we have joints. So for our joints, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of these little tomatoes here, and we're just gonna put them like this in between each. Now, I think what we need to put in here is some ribs. Yes, exactly. So we have some bell peppers here already sliced. So we'll just start grabbing them here and we'll just start filling in our skeleton rib cage. Yep, good job, just like that. Okay, we have 2 more things that we need to do. We need to add the guts. We need to add the hands. So for the guts, we're gonna take these mushrooms here and we're just gonna kind of put them at the bottom here. So we'll do some broccoli and cauliflower for the hands. So we'll just take our little florets here and we'll just, just like that. There we go, perfect. So now we have our skeleton done. To go with our healthy option, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a Frankenstein guacamole. So how about we do that, Liliana? Okay, so for our Frankenstein guacamole, what you need is some sour cream, some tortilla chips. You got some store-bought guacamole, which makes it just a little bit easier. 2 carrots, a plate, and some olives. So we're gonna put these over here for now. To make our Frankenstein guacamole, what we're going to do is we're going to take the guacamole here and we're going to just shape it in a square. You want to help me with that? You want to put a little bit more on there? do like one more big scoop. All right. And do you like guacamole?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I love guacamole. Okay, so we have Frankenstein's head. Now what we want to do is add his eyes. So for his eyes, we're gonna take sour cream, and I'll do the dollops, and then I'll have you add the olives. Great. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some tortilla chips, and we're going to put them across the top as his like hair, kind of. So we'll stick them like this. Perfect. So we'll take some more olives, and we'll just kind of start putting them here for his mouth. All right. And then the last two things that we need for Frankenstein is the baby carrots that'll go on the side of his head. So I'll grab one and you grab one, and we'll put them like this. Good job. So now we have our Frankenstein out of guacamole, and we have our skeleton made out of veggies. I think that we have some pretty good snacks and dip for a Halloween party. What do you think?